Here's a tip for your two DIYs. When you're taking off cornice, you bash your middle out like that, grab a block, like so, and it releases it all. Just like that. Close your eyes. Now that's the best way of getting rid of your cornice that I know. The quickest, the easiest, no damage to anything. Grab your block, whooshka! Don't go hitting the ceiling though. Close your mouth. Just like that. So that's how you take down your cornice, people. Just like that. So then I can go up past there a bit. Then they can just put their cornice back and it'll cover that old part and it'll look like it's always been there. And that is in renovations, that is the key. Now look at that. Bloody beautiful. So I'll carry on around there, or I'll carry on around there, and then I'll what's the time here? It's only 1:30, and then I'll prime my walls. See you soon.